£25 product, 65% margin, good enough for Google Ads. Pretty much as the title suggests, we are currently selling on ETSY and we wanted to try and get some more sales through our own website. Average order value is £25 at a 65% gross margin. Is this too small for Google Ads? Okay, so based on 65% of 25 pound, maybe somewhere between 13, 14, 15, 16 pounds, and let's assume 15 pounds, but someone can do the math. So if 15 pounds is your average profit, is it a good for Google Ads to run or not on ETSY? I know ETSY, but I'm not sure how you're driving it, because also you are figuring out your amount, the average profit you have to see if it's workable or not. But see, there is a lot thing. What's your ETSY profile? How much reviews you have so far? Is it a new product? Is it an old product? So I mean, there are various factors on ETSY to decide if Google Ads is workable or not. And then who else is advertising Google? Who are your competitors? Your product versus them. And even after all of these figures are being set, I think you may have to struggle at start in order to build your base campaign and then go up. In my opinion, I think that the quantity also plays a crucial role. So the number of orders can, if you work on the quantity, this can help you in optimizing your sales. So this is all in all a mixture of all of these through which you can optimize. 65% percent wise margin is good, 65% margin is very good, but amount wise £25 is a little less for 65% margin. So sometimes people do upsells as well to make it profitable, like selling one product, and like people who bought this product also buy these products. So linking with other products can help cross platform selling. Cross product selling can be helpful. So some people do remarketing for the people who have visit the website or your page and know about your brand or service, but still needs more convincing. So we can convince them for that as well. So so many things to see, but 65% margin wise is very good. Amount wise little needs an optimization, but if you cover up with your volume number of sales, you can cover it up. So I hope this answers your question regarding if it's good enough or not for Google Ads. And if anyone needs a professional help with Google Ads, you can hire me and my team through the link in the description. Once again, thank you for watching, and I look forward to working with you. Take care. Bye bye.